Hello all. So in this session we will discuss about rate of flow and continuity equation, and we will solve some numerical problems based on the continuity equation. So what is the rate of flow or discharge? So let us take a pipe section. So assume it is a pipe section. So inside it is the water. So rate of flow is nothing but quantity of water, that means or quantity of fluid. So rate of flow is nothing but quantity of fluid passing through that particular pipe section, passing through this particular pipe section per second, right? So it is nothing but quantity of fluid, right? So quantity of fluid passing through the pipe section or per second. So basically we have two different flow rates. So one is volume flow rate and second one is mass flow rate. Right? So what about the volume flow rate and what about the mass flow rate? So volume flow rate gives you the idea about how much volume of water passing through this pipe section. So it represents the amount of quantity in terms of volume. So the notation for discharge you will denote with the symbol Q, right? So discharge or rate of flow you will denote by the symbol Q. So volume flow rate is equal to how much volume of fluid per second, that means per time, right? Here it is volume by time, right? So it is nothing but volume is equal to area into length, right? So here length by time it gives you the velocity. So what is the formula for Q here? Area into velocity. So Q is equal to AV. So here A is equal to area and V is equal to velocity of fluid in that pipe section. Right, this is about volume flow rate. And what about the mass flow rate? Right? So the second one, what about the mass flow rate? Right? So mass flow rate is nothing but means the mass of fluid or weight of fluid that passing through this pipe section per second time. So it gives you the measurement of fluid in terms of weight or mass, right? So it indicates the rate of flow as, it is defined as the rate of flow as the mass of fluid or weight of fluid passing through this pipe section per second time. So here how you denote the discharge? Here discharge is equal to mass of fluid by second, that means time, right? So here how you denote this? So here it is mass is equal to density into volume, right? Density into volume time. Same here, density you will denote with the symbol rho, and volume is area into length by time. See here, what about length by time here? It is velocity again, right? So here, velocity is equal to length by time. That means distance by time or displacement by time. So how you can write down this equation as rho into A into V, right? This is mass flow rate formula. Right? So this is about the rate of flow or discharge.